I'm going to entitle this one Russ versus the Dinette. So far, guess who's winning?
Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me.
I think you got it.
I expected that to be much more difficult. 4 more screws down here, and they're flat heads. Why? We got rivets, we got square heads, we have an occasional Phillips in here. Flat heads? Okay, it's Monday, and we're back inside the MT to do a little more work, see if we can remove some more panels. It's kind of like disassembling a big puzzle, only I don't exactly know how it's put together until I get it halfway apart. Does that make sense? Anyway, let's see if we can get this out now. Oops, wrong one. Oh, maybe not. First screw stripped out. Don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Second screw is also stripped. This may be a pattern. Okay, now I have screws that I can't get to. So maybe it's time for some gentle persuasion.
I'm going to entitle this one Russ versus the Dinette. So far, guess who's winning?
Guarantee I will be the ultimate victor.
Oh no, you are winning, baby, just by participating.
Just by being here, huh? Oh, come on.
What is the problem?
Problem is they used 4 screws to attach a piece of dryer vent to this. There we are. And a wire got caught under one of them. Now it's free and clear. Okay.
Okay.
Here is the victory. I win. For now.
Of course, you still have all that to go.
Thank you for the encouragement.
I am very encouraging. I encourage you. I am right here beside you.
You're just being realistic. I got it. I'm trying to be realistic too. Oh. Okay. Maybe this steel framing isn't going to be as... I was afraid that this was actually welded into place like all the rest of this steel box that we have. But apparently it may be screwed into place. That's good because it means that I can remove all this relatively easy without a cutting torch. That's a good thing. What next? I get to drill out more rivets. So I'll say one thing. They didn't want their dinette to come apart. That was kind of disturbingly easy to do. But I won't complain. Will not complain. Alright. Let's see about this front panel right here. Well, that's one way to get it off. Okay, it's screwed on from the back also. You know what? Forget that.
What you do?
I'm gonna knock it off of there.
Strangely satisfying.
Yes. I really don't know why it was put on there so securely.
Because it was the support for the bed. Because you know the dinette made into a bed.
You are absolutely right. That's the reason the board. Okay, we'll see how much more difficulty I'm gonna have getting this panel out. I have made a discovery. This little piece of paneling right here is just stapled in. So with my persuader, why not?
What did that accomplish?
It gives me a little more light under here where I'm working. And it allows me a little more flexibility.
I thought it just vented your frustrations.
Well, I did that too. Oh, I got it.
You know you have a pry bar.
Ow. And that's obviously still connected on the end. We have mentioned over and over about how well constructed these RVs are. These people were serious about building a quality product, and they have quality enough that it's a pain in the butt to take one apart.
Even almost 50 years later.
Some 50 years later. And if anyone who has anything to do with Mobile Traveler is watching, that's meant as a compliment. Good job, guys. good thing I'm not trying to keep all this in one piece. Okay, well that's that piece.
Why don't you sit down and drink some water for me?
That's a good idea.
Turn the camera off. We'll turn it back on when you get ready. Okay?
We have a fan running now. I apologize for the wind noise, but we had to get some air moving in here. It's about 80 degrees today. We're inside a tin box in the sun, so. I've got 2 screws that don't want to come out. The rest of this frame is still fastened in too many other places for it to come out. So I've got to do some more dismantling before it will budge. Alright, let's just see if this other panel will pull off. Pry bar. Okay, behold, all the panels are gone. That's a lot of demolition for today, and I think I'm at a stopping point. So next time, we'll come back, get the metal framing out, and then maybe we'll work on pulling the freshwater tank and the heater. Maybe. We'll see. In the meantime, thanks a lot for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Remember to share and like and follow us on Facebook too. Oh, and we're still working toward 100 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Just click. As soon as it becomes active, right here in the corner. We'll see you next time. I'm Russ. Ree's behind the camera, and we'll talk later.